This is Company Law series. Students, hope you liked my uploaded lectures, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Please guys do like and subscribe this channel. This is lecture 4 and part C. This has some questions on section 173 about meeting of board. Friends, this section is really important for exam point of view. So in order to boost the concept, please go through these questions. Okay? Let's start it. Question number 1 is Section 8 companies are non-profit organization. Means these are formed for charitable purpose. Okay? Is there any exemption to them under section 173 subsection 1? Since we know that section 173 subsection 1 says that every company may first board meeting हो जानी चाहिए within 30 days from the date of incorporation and thereafter hold minimum 4 board meetings in a year and gap of not more than 120 days shall intervene between 2 consecutive board meetings. This we know. Okay. But for section 8 companies, exemption is provided. That is, section 8 companies are not required to comply section 173 subsection 1. They shall hold at least one board meeting in every 6 calendar months. Okay? That is, in every 6 calendar months, एक board meeting is to be conducted by section 8 companies and not to comply completely section 173 subsection 1. Okay? Say for example, from April to September, that is 6 calendar month में एक board meeting हो जानी चाहिए and from May to October 6 months में एक board meeting हो जानी चाहिए. That is, in every 6 calendar month one board meeting हो जानी चाहिए. That is the concept of section 8 company. Okay, have you got my point? Next question is, if the officers are failed to provide the notice to directors of board meeting as per section 173 subsection 3, then what? Answer is, the officer who have failed to provide such notice shall be held liable to a penalty of 25,000 rupees. To a penalty of 25,000 rupees. Okay, easy. Next question is, Care Limited conducted 5 meetings in a year as in April 2017 first board meeting, in May 2017 second board meeting, in January अब May के बाद January में 2018 third board meeting, in February 2018 fourth board meeting, in March 2018 fifth board meeting. Is it complied with section 173? क्या उसने सेक्शन 173 का कंप्लायंस किया है? आंसर इज नो. एज अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 173, gap of not more than 120 days shall intervene between 2 consecutive board meetings. Here, between board meeting 2 and board meeting 3, board meeting 2 held in May and then board meeting 3 held in January of next year, which has a gap of more than 120 days, which is not allowed. So it has not complied with section 173. Okay, here you have to see the gap also between 2 meetings. Okay, great. Next question is, Tata Limited is incorporated on 3rd May 2016 and it has conducted its first board meeting on 5th June 2016. Has it complied section 173? Answer is no, as it had to conduct first board meeting within 30 days of incorporation. Now how to calculate 30 days? From 4th May 2016 to 31st May, these are 28 days plus 2 days extra, total 30 days. That is, before 2nd June उसको अपनी first board meeting करनी थी, but it had conducted it on 5th June, so it had not complied section 173. Have you got it? If you have any query, please write it in the comment section. Okay. Next question is, Kusum Limited has conducted its first board meeting in a year as in April 2017 first board meeting, in June 2017 second board meeting, in July 2017 third board meeting in September 2017, last in November 2017, fifth board meeting. Has it complied with section 173? Please check 173 के provision क्या बोलते हैं. Answer is section 173 says two things for every company, that is minimum 4 board meetings in a year and gap of not more than 120 days shall intervene between two consecutive board meetings. This we know, we have read it 100 times now. Here Kusum Limited has complied both the provision. So yes, section 173 has been complied by Kusum Limited. Okay. Next question is the notice of board meeting can be given टू डायरेक्टर्स ऑन टेलीफोन. हम टेलीफोन पर उनको कॉल करके बोल रहे हैं कि ये पर्टिकुलर डेट पे मीटिंग ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स रखी गई है, प्लीज़ डू कम. सो इज इट राइट? आंसर इज नो. नोटिस ऑफ बोर्ड मीटिंग हैज़ टू बी गिवन इन राइटिंग ओनली, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, इन राइटिंग ओनली, आइदर बाय पोस्ट कार्ड और वाया ईमेल. ओके. नो वर्बल नोटिस कैन बी गिवन, मतलब फ़ोन करके या फिर फ़ोन करके एनी अदर मेथड से आप नहीं बोल सकते, सिर्फ आपको दिख गए तो उनको बोल दिया, ऐसा नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू मेक इट इन राइटिंग ओनली. आइदर आप उनको हैंड डिलीवरी दे रहे हो तो एक कार्ड पे या एक पेज पे उनको लिख के दो, फॉर्मेट उसका प्रॉपर नोटिस का कि दिस इज नोटिस हैज़ बिन नोटिस फॉर बोर्ड मीटिंग, या फिर ईमेल कर रहे हो तो इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली इन writing only, fax कर रहे हो तो that is obvious in writing only. So it has to be in writing. The notice of board meeting has to be in writing. It cannot be in verbal form. Okay, have you got it? So this is the end of lecture 4. We have entirely completed section 173. Please once again go through it, and if you have any doubt, please raise it in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching it. Bye.